today we are making slime. So let's put half of this. It's too hard for me to open.
Oh, what's that?
So I'm gonna make my slime first, and then Will's gonna make his slime. Okay. So I have color cans and some blue glitter. Half of the bottle. Okay. Oh, is this glue? Oh. Okay, I think that's. Is that half? No. Whoa, you tell. Okay, that's it. Probably good, right?
That's pretty good.
Okay, now time to pour the water in. Doesn't even look like slime yet. Now it's time to stir. I'm so excited. How long do you have to stir for?
Just stir, gentle.
Oh, guys, look at that. It's
Yeah.
still glue. Look at that. That's slime. It doesn't look like slime yet. It's still, see? Still glue. It's still glue. But it actually,
Mix well.
what? So hard to stir. I think you gotta go fast like this. Okay. Is that in?
Yeah, that's good. Put the powder in.
Okay. There. Half of the bottle. Okay. Got it. I think like when you put your thumb on it, it will color change. Is that good? Look at that. It turned yellow. Can you see that? Now that's cool. Alright. Oh wait, I forgot. Do I mix and then put my glitter in? Here's the cap.
Mix it up, then put glitter in.
I mix it up. It's gonna be a very tiny slime. I thought it was gonna be big. No. This is like tiny size, but I think it can still do the thing where you put it over and mix it all. Yeah, got
Mix it up.
It's not looking like some yet. Whoa, that looks like orange jelly. Yeah,
Wait.
kind of like red. Yeah, really tiny. It's getting there. Okay, I think that's good. Now it's time to put my glitter in. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like, maybe I'll put another one in. Probably not. Just a teeny bit. That's too much, isn't it?
Go.
I already put blue in, so I put pink, purple, or this. Okay, I'm gonna go with orange. This orange is kind of cool. Okay, I'll just put a teeny tiny bit of purple because I have like a lot of glitter. You know? Good thing I didn't spill that. Uh-oh. Blue needs a cap. Now it's time to stir. Wow. You're not going to be able to see like the blue, but it's going to turn out cool. It looks orange.
Gotta talk louder.
Whoa. It made like a hole.
Stir, quick. Gotta stir it in.
Oh.
Stir, stir.
It's getting
Will, while Leah's stirring, you pour more in.
this?
Yes,
Yeah.
pour it in slowly.
Slowly.
A little bit. Good boy. Keep going, Leah. Alright, Will, stir a little more. Will. Yes, yes.
Go ahead. Go.
pour it all in slowly.
Yeah. Just slow. It's turning out to be slime. Whoa, it's looking very weird right now. Can't even see any glitter. Whoa. Whoops. Oh no. It's okay.
It smells soapy.
Is it my turn? Not as I expected. Great. Do it. Does it feel good? No, it doesn't feel good. You know what it feels like? What? If you're spreading, like...
Keep rolling it around. Play with it. See if it gets better.
Look. Why is it so... Oh. Let's see.
No, it's not that soapy. Here.
Oh, no, not this trick. You always do that and put something in it. The last time we made slime.
Will you sit there?
Oh my god. It's so sticky. It's sticky. Okay. The last time we're going to try to do the bubble. Okay? I think maybe that will be good. Oh, I can't do it. Maybe mine can do it. Maybe. Mine is just, I thought it would really change colors. Can I feel it? Yeah, sure. Oh, it's into my hand. Yeah. That's disgusting, right? But let's see.
It's dried out, right?
What?
It dried out, didn't it?
No.
A little bit.
Yes. Ready? Okay, we're just going to do this. Okay, I think this will work now. 1, 2, 3. It's not doing it.
Which one did?
It's so you flatten it out and then you pull it over and it makes a big bubble. And it won't do it. I thought it was naturally colored.
It will.
It will?
Alright.
Ooh, it's yellow right there.
Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold it press. No, don't press.
Oh, it is.
It did.
It's
Sort of.
kind of.
You try to do this, watch.
Whoa. How did you? Oh. My hand. It's so sticky. Uh-oh.
Hey, there's something coming out of your nose.
Yeah, it's funny. I thought maybe the next time we do a slime video, I'll go with like another one that has sparkles in it.
Which one are you doing?
It also I'm doing this one. Glow in the dark. Glow in the dark. I make him blue slime.
Glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark slime. Guys, can I put water in now?
Water in.
Glow all of it?
All of it. Start.
It's. Whoa, no. Oh, nope. Not at all. Not at all. Whoa.
Keep stirring.
I wonder if you can put foam balls in, like now, as the.
Hold your cup and stir.
What
You
if
gotta
you
stir
did?
it good. How's it look? Is it stirred up?
I think that's good. Yeah, that's the.
Think so? Alright. Keep stirring. I'll help you with the power of it,
It's waiting till it's loose in the dark. It's not color changing.
Keep stirring.
Whoa.
Stir good. Stir good. Hey, get up here.
It looks white.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
It's white because when you put it in the dark, it turns green. Well, it's glow in the dark.
Alright, keep going. Stir.
I know what to do. Whoa, it's turning blue. It's turning blue. I think it's gonna turn dark blue. If you put a little bit in, it will turn light blue.
Keep going.
I don't know which is better. Oh.
Want more blue?
Sure. I want to turn dark blue.
Well, it's got a glow too.
Blue. Did you hear that?
You stir. Ooh, that's blue.
That's more blue. And I think it's dark blue.
Alright, don't stop stirring. I'm gonna pour this in. Stir. Stir. Mix everywhere. Really good.
Whoa!
Really good mix.
Whoa! Look at mine!
Don't stop. Don't stop.
I should have done something like that.
Don't stop.
Mine is just, weird. Whoa.
Keep going.
Whoa. It's turning blue. Whoa.
Yeah, keep stir. Don't stop stirring.
Whoa.
Roll your sleeve up.
Whoa. Did he just toss him off?
No, just roll your sleeve up.
No.
There you go.
Yeah.
Alright, move it, knead it. You gotta like squish it around. Take it out.
Yeah, whoa. Okay,
Alright,
let's see if I can do. Can you do?
Knead it around. You gotta,
after you knead
hold on,
it
he's not done yet. He's not finished yet. Knead it around. Keep doing that
Oh.
to get it finished.
Whoa. Look at mine, Leah. That's cool.
Alright, you gotta knead it. You gotta knead it like it's like you're making bread.
Is that how you make bread? No, it's like this.
Like on the British baking show.
Like this.
Yeah, like that. There you go. Does it feel better now? It's a little drier?
Oh. Yeah, feel it.
Let me see. Oh yeah, it's getting there. Keep doing it like that.
Okay.
Oh, it's getting there. Look. Look, watch.
Yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
There.
Whoa.
Now, does it glow in the dark? Here, let's get it charged up with some light. Like I'll help you. Put it in front of the light. Right?
Yeah. We need some dark.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough because it's not dark out.
Yeah, maybe you can bring the camera into the mudroom and you can put the light off. Yeah.
Let's see. Let me see if I can tell. Oh, look at my hand, Will.
Let me see. I don't see anything.
Light.
Yeah,
Let me just play with it. I gotta get light.
Can I feel? Look at mine. No. Oh, mine feels like slime. Can I feel?
Don't get it mixed up.
Oh, Will, have you done this trick yet? See this trick? Have you done it? Whoa. What will happen if you put foam balls in right now?
No, it probably wouldn't work. This one.
High five.
Why is that so funny?
I don't know why. I just a little tiny part. Whoa!
Just two fingers, buddy.
That's a funny part. Mine's
Alright.
not doing this.
Let me see.
Thing. Whoa! Can mine do it better?
It's good. Don't let it go on the floor.
This is like our laundry though. Oh,
Careful.
I have an idea. Whoa. Ooh, I have the awesomest idea. So I'm gonna wrap the little toy train in, and when I let it go onto the table, it will come out as slime. Can I make a bubble?
Hey, Will, let me see.
That won't work. Can you make a
Let me
bubble?
see yours.
Make a bubble. Batman. Okay. Wait, why is Batman here? Should we put action figures and the slime?
Let me see. Look,
Like-
watch.
I'll get the Joker. Where's the Joker?
Hold
Can
on.
I
Hold
play?
on. Put your finger down here on the bottom. On the bottom. No, on the bottom. Just hold them. See if it. Ugh. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. What's in it?
Nothing.
Oh, can I make one more? No.
Which one do we have to make?
I would love to make glow in the dark.
You just did.
I want to make one.
Well, you just made that.
Okay, then I would
Hold on,
like
let me see what.
foam beads. Whoa! It just hit the bowl. Just hit the bowl. Whoa! Liam, look at mine. Karate chop piece. What can do so far left? Will, what if you get Batman and then Batman slimes the Joker?
Want to do one more?
Yes. Yes, one more. I really want to do fruit slices. But I get to go first.
We're gonna make fluffy,
Fluffy.
and I'm gonna do it this time
Oh, great. Why are you going to do it?
because it looks like fun. White glue. You're supposed to use white glue before. Right?
Ooh.
All right. Let's see what happens. Water, white glue. Ooh, that doesn't want to mix.
Yeah, that's a fun
Then what? I want to do red.
one. Red sounds like red.
Red sounds like red.
Your red sounds like tomatoes. Red tomatoes. You're not going to do it. Oh, pearl pigment. What's that? Pearl
I don't
pigment.
know, but it's for something else. Put
Whoa.
some glitter. It's gonna be weird.
That's my favorite color. Wow. Why is it going to be weird?
You'll see.
I thought it was going to be red. I can do that for you.
I got it.
Okay. What's with your hand?
Hold on. Where's my rag?
Ooh, it feels slippery. Like little. Liquidy.
Liquid we?
No. You mean liquidy? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So. Whoa. It's pink. And you wanted to make red, but you made pink. And you don't like the color print?
Oh well. Looks like bubble gum.
It kind of does, yeah. It actually looks like bubble gum. Okay. Whoa. Whoa! I need
It's a little sticky, this one.
Can I feel it?
Hold on. I think we have to put more back in the soap. Maybe there is some too much glue in there. Alright, hold on. And once it's done being slime,
Whoa.
is it sticky?
No, it's not sticky anymore. I'm back with some scissors. That does look like bubble gum. Oh, it looks like
What is it though?
It's like it's supposed to be clay.
It
Wait.
looks like we're
Ready?
putting
Hold on.
clay and slime.
Let's see. What's the best way to do it? Like pastry. Right?
Is it supposed to make it like bubble gummy?
Like fluffy.
Oh, I get it.
Hold on, honey. Hold on.
It looks like bubble gum.
It actually looks like
Maybe at the end we can get all of our slimes and then Batman slimes the Joker with one. Ready, Daddy?
Hold on.
Whoa! This is awesome.
Can I put a piece on?
I can't get this to flatten out. So you can flatten that out.
Okay. I'll see if I can flatten that one.
No, I can't.
Oh God.
No. Alright, put it in here.
Okay, wait. I think I can.
It's alright.
Gosh. Can I put it in? Kind of.
Come on, man, put it in.
Okay. Here's and here's.
It's like bubblegum pizza. Alright? Just fold it up.
Can I fold it up? Yeah.
Now, real hard.
Oh, it's crunchy. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I just hear it.
No, I think you're only supposed to put half.
It's alright. It says you can do a whole.
Ooh.
Make it more fluffy.
Can I feel?
It's just to take a lot of work.
See, it just seems so
I can do
hard.
that because I'm strong.
Right?
Can I do it?
Go.
Man, that's hard. Oh. Oh, that's.
What are you supposed to do though? Like,
Get it incorporated. Like mix it really good. It's fluffier than the other ones, right?
Yeah. It's
I know
stretchy.
what-
Oh, yeah. It actually looks like bubble gum this way.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
You gotta need that. You gotta get that all incorporated.
Trying to.
I got incorporated.
Watch your fingers.
Wait, what are you doing? You'll see. Look,
Okay.
I have the big piece right here.
Okay. There's like a big chunk that I can't
Watch
get.
your fingers.
What's
Yes,
here?
I got it.
Woo! Look at that piece. This is the end of this video. Bye.